Hello, students, and welcome to today, which is August 25th, 2021. This is now day 12. So, what are you going to be doing today? Explain what went wrong in Biosphere 2, trace the path of carbon as it moves through matter, identify how the ocean contributes to sea levels rising. Today, you're going to turn in class starter 6 through 10. You'll turn that in digitally into Google Classroom. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the agenda really quickly. The agenda will pop up. There it is. All right. So again, like I said, today is day 12. I just want to shout out all of my students who have been doing everything that I've asked. I certainly appreciate that. It is now time to start thinking about what you will be putting in your closed ecosystem. The daily quiz will be open from 8:30 to 9 o'clock for first period, 9 to 9:30 for second, 11:30 to 12 for third period. Hang in there. This too shall pass. Things it's going to be all right. These are your login times for your Google Meet. The only thing I wanted y'all to do today was cut out that carbon cycle diagram. So please, hopefully you all already did that. So today we're going to do review over our class starter. Then we will immediately just finish up that Pear Deck from yesterday. There will be another sheet to be given to you to take videos, notes on. Then we'll work on a carbon cycle diagram. So you'll cut and glue that out, get that done. Probably at the end, I'm going to give you time to finish working on your research. But before we do that, we're going to go and answer the questions on page 16. Finish that up because those questions were questions about the biosphere. So you'll do that. All right. Then after that, we'll kind of look at what is our next driving question. So we have this, we just finished the one on if humans were to leave Earth, how will we sustain life on another planet? So we did our evidence collecting, and as we go through the lab, that'll be more evidence that we can use. But in the meantime, we can't spend forever on that. We got to keep moving, but we'll still be using that to collect evidence for that one. So driving question number 2 is how does the loss of glaciers cause the increase in ocean temperatures and affects the sea lions? So again, we start talking about like the carbon cycle, what that's doing to Earth. And now what we're going to be looking at is, so we know that we have carbon that gets into the ocean through ocean uptake. So now that this ocean is having excessive amount of carbon and is warming up, what is that actually doing to everything? All right, so you're going to click on this and that's going to open up an article for you all to read. Okay, so then after that we have this little engage that you'll go through and you'll do that on your own. Don't need me for that one. And we'll define these 6 words because what'll happen is we'll have a vocabulary test and I'll just combine the other 11 words plus these words for a vocabulary test. So by the end of class today, you'll finish class starter 12, daily quiz 12, notes on your Pear Deck, we'll complete them. The carbon cycle 2, page 16, introduction to 1.3, it's a quick read. Unit 1, cycle 3, engage, and then we'll finish doing our research hypothesis. All right, so good. This one is saying good morning, but I'm a firm believer that true character is what you do when others are not looking. I wanted to see how many leaders we have and how many followers we have. A true leader will do what is right, even in the midst of those who are doing wrong. You can't worry about what others are doing. You can only account for yourself. Life is filled with choices. What side of the fence are you on? Are you going to do the right thing or are you going to follow everybody and do the wrong thing? You got to decide, excuse me, what you want to do. Okay, here's a recap of the week. This is everything that we did up until now. You can look at that. And then in closing, never judge someone without knowing the whole story. So here we see he's so negative. Yes, he's weird. Let's not talk to him. But meanwhile, this person has all of this baggage that they're carrying. This person lost his job, went through a breakup, business breakup, business bankrupt, no job to live or no money, loss of a close one, growing up without family. So it's time to change your mindset. In today's society, we are all so quick to rush to judgment. Many prefer to believe a beautiful lie rather than taking the time to know or understand the ugly truth. So many misunderstandings and miscommunications could be simply solved with a conversation. Instead of judging, just ask. That is all that I will ask. And if you are too scared to ask, then mind your business. You in the business. Don't do that. Okay, mind the business that pays you. If you would rather assume than ask the person what's going on, 9 times out of 10, that means you're not doing the right thing. But anyway, so happy learning and goodbye.